In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a shadow here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this, and it all comes down to what you want to make a shadow on, because making a shadow on text is different to making a shadow on an image. So if we wanted to do text, we can simply click onto our text, come up to effects just here, and then we can choose this shadow feature. Now from here, we can actually play around with the color of the shadow. For this example, let's put it on black. We can then play around with the transparency, just like this with this bar. Let's make it slightly transparent. We can also play around with the blurriness of that shadow as well, along with the direction, like this, and also the offset. So if we make the offset a little bit larger, then if we slightly blur this, we can see we now have our shadow on our text. Now to add a shadow on an image, again, is slightly different. So first of all, we're going to need our image. So let's come up to elements. Let's just go with this one just here. Now to put a shadow on this, what we want to do is click onto our image, come up to edit photo just here, and then we can use shadows just here. We can choose between a glow, a drop shadow, and an outline. Now if we go onto the drop shadow like this, we can actually play around with the size, making it bigger, again with the blur amount, and a few other features. So let's turn this intensity a little bit down. Let's make the size a little bit smaller, like so. And let's make the blurriness a little bit less as well, like this. And then the angle and the distance we can also play around with. So we'll just make the distance a little bit smaller like this. And now we have our shadow on our image as well. So that's how you can make shadows here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.